In this video, we will start our new chapter which is alternating current. So let's start with what is alternating current. AC is the current produced by voltage source that reverses its polarity with time. If we talk about its time period is the time interval in which voltage reverses its polarity. Sinusoidal waveform of the AC is a graph between voltage and time. Remember that the voltage in alternating current generator varies with time and at an instant. So we can say that V is equal to V naught sine omega t. We know that omega is equal to 2 pi over t. So the equation becomes this. And we also know that 1 over t is equal to frequency. So equation becomes this. We can write voltage as V is equal to V naught sine theta. Here theta is equal to omega t, which is the angle through which coil rotates in time t. Theta is the phase which specifies instantaneous values. Talking about the supplies of current, we have two types of supplies, the alternating current and the direct current. Alternating current is a varying supply and direct current is a constant supply. In AC supply, we have sawtooth waveform. The sawtooth waveform looks like this. It has tooth-like structure in it. Then we have sinusoidal waveform. The sinusoidal waveform looks like this. It looks like the graph of sine. And then we have square waveform. Square waveform looks like this, which has squares in it. In DC supply, we have steady state DC, which feels like a straight line and continues its state. And at last, we have pulsating direct current. The pulsating direct current looks like this. That's all for this video.